Buying a car in Jamaica can be so expensive, and if you don't do it the right way, you can lose thousands. Whether you're in the US, the UK, or if you're already here, I'm going to show you how to buy a car step by step. There are three main ways to buy a car here in Jamaica. You can buy locally, you can buy from a dealership, and you can import your car. Buying a car from the dealership is the way we did it. It's actually very easy and very straightforward. A lot of people do it that way. A lot of the paperwork is handled for you, which makes the process a lot more easier. And buying this way, you also get warranty with your vehicle most of the time. Buying used cars locally is where you can find a good deal. There's such good value cars out there, but you need to inspect the car. This is where it's good if you can bring a mechanic with you. Make sure you verify all the documents, make sure all the paperwork's there.
Oh, mommy's driving, oh!
And this is where you can save money, or you could potentially make a very, very expensive mistake. So once you've purchased a car, then you want to go away and get that car insured. So there's multiple insurance brokers out here. You can choose one that's close to the place that you purchased the car. Once you've got the car insured, you can then go to the Tax Administrations of Jamaica to register the car in your name and also collect your license plates. Once you've collected your license plates, then you can return to where you purchased the car from. We got ours from a car dealership, and then you can put your license plates on the car. Common mistakes made are not taking into consideration your insurance costs and your tax in the vehicle costs, because these obviously bring your budget up. Drop your questions below. I'm more than happy to give you any information you may need. So feel free to comment and I'll get back to you. Other mistakes made are not checking the paperwork correctly. And if these things aren't done, they can be very, very, very costly.